Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 4 quick and easy hairstyles. So let's get started. So let's start with first one. So first, part your hair like this and make a ponytail. And then take this strand and wrap it one time around rubber band and then put it inside the rubber band. And do same thing other side. And then pull out hair little bit from the front. And yeah, it's done. So now move on second hairstyle. And then take your old hair and start twisting it over and over like so. And secure it with your pins. And yeah, it's done. So now do third hairstyle. Take a section at the back like so. And make a small ponytail. Take a section from the left side. Add some hair from the right side and make a ponytail. And then take a strand from right side. And then open your hair and pass through hands. And then add some hair and make a small ponytail. And yeah, it's done. So now do last hairstyle. Take your old hair back and make a low ponytail. Take a small strand from ponytail and wrap it around rubber band. And secure it with bobby pin. Take out some flakes from the front. And yeah, it's done. Yeah, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to share, comment and subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye.